Okay, so now I will share my screen. Okay, so this is our new lesson for today. We will learn the words, the sentences, the phonics, and you will test yourself. Okay? All right. Okay. You drink first, please, before we proceed. Okay. So please read.
My pencil case.
Very good. So now we will learn the words. For number one, please read the number
A
one.
pencil. An eraser.
Eraser.
Eraser. Glue.
Okay.
A pen sharpener.
A pencil sharpener. Again, a pencil
A pencil sharpener.
sharpener. Very good.
What's out? A pen. A ruler. A tape.
Tape.
A marker. A crayon.
Okay, very good. Okay,
I'm
so can you
faster than you.
okay, so can you remember about the vowels and the consonants? Okay, so what are the vowels? Do you remember what are the vowels? We have the A,
Ray.
E, I, O, and
You.
U. Okay, so these are called vowels. Okay. Hello, Lily. Please answer me. Okay, can you find the vowels in here? What are the vowels in number one? Can you tell me what are the vowels in the word a pencil?
A.
You encircle? Or you can just like this. You can just like make a line. Okay, what else? Okay. Can you just tell me what are the vowels in number one? What are the vowels in number one, please? Can you just tell me? Hello, Lily. Okay, for number one, please tell me what are the vowels in number one?
A. Pencil.
What are the vowels in there?
A. E. I.
Very good. Number two?
An eraser.
Okay, what are
A.
the vowels?
E. E.
Okay, so,
And
okay, for those letters that are not A, E, I, O, U, they are called consonants. Okay, for example, in here. Okay, so what are the vowels in the word glue? Okay, can you answer me first, please? Okay, what are the vowels?
U, E.
Okay, so what are the consonants there? What are the consonants in here? In this word?
U, E.
U, E are
U,
the
E.
vowels. How about the consonants? Okay, so the consonants here are G and L. And the vowels here are U and E. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, so what are the vowels in this word?
Here, A, E.
Okay, what are the consonants there?
I see upper half U, E.
Okay, what are the consonants here?
T.
T and P. Okay. How about here? What are the consonants here? Go. Okay, so what are the vowels in here? What are the vowels in here? Can you please say?
U, E.
U, E, and A. Okay, so the consonants are R, L, and R. Okay? Okay, and your name. Okay, your name
E.
is Lily. Okay, what is the vowel?
No. New name.
What is the vowel
New
in
name.
your name?
Today I have new name.
You have new name. What's your name?
Linda.
Linda. Linda.
Linda.
Okay, on your name, can you tell me the vowel in your name? Is the letter
No, new name.
the letter I? Okay, and the consonants are L, L, and Y. Okay, so those are consonants. Okay, now, okay, so write the missing letters. Okay, can you please write the missing letters on number 1? Okay, I'll make it bigger. Okay, can you please write the missing letters? Okay, go. No, write them.
The number.
You don't remember the name. Okay, so this is it's in here. Hello, Lily. Hello.
Bye-bye.
No, we're not yet done. Please answer me first,
Bye.
please. Okay, so write the missing letters in number 1.
I don't remember.
You don't remember? It's in here. Okay, number 1, a pencil. Number 2, Hello, Lily. Please. Hello. Can you please focus and listen to teacher? Okay, for number 1, please read.
PENC.
Okay, how to read that? Hello. We're running out of time, Lily. Oh, you're lost.
I can see you. I can't
But
see
you're not moving in the video.
you.
Hello, Lily.
I cannot see you.
Okay, please read the number 1.
A pencil.
Okay, a pencil. Okay, can you write the missing letter in here? What are the missing letters?
E.
Okay, this is pencil. Okay, so what are the missing letters in here?
P. E. A. C. I. L.
E, E, N. It's N, not A. Hello, Lily. Hello, please listen to
Wait
me
me a
first,
minute.
please.
Wait me a minute. Wait me a minute. Here we go. Here we go. It's done. It's
Hello,
done.
Lily.
What? Your chair is wet.
Come
My
on.
chair is wet.
We're running out of time, Lily. Please focus first on our lesson so that we can move on. Okay, so what are the missing letters in here to make the word pencil?
E. E. A. C.
N.
A. I.
That is
L.
letter N. Okay, E, N, C, I, L. Okay, that is pencil. How about for the number 2?
Either.
Eraser.
E. R. A. S.
E, N, E, R, A, S, E, N. What's the last letter?
D.
The last letter is R. Okay, eraser. Okay, for the number 3, the word glue. Okay, so what are the missing letters? The word glue.
No.
No. Okay, it's in here.
No.
Okay, can you spell the word glue?
E. L. U. E.
Okay, again, what are the missing letters in here?
Yeah. D. L. U. E.
Yes, that's right. Okay, for the number 4, it's called, what's this? It's
Pencil sharp.
pencil sharpener. Okay, so what are the missing letters in here?
I see this so
P, E.
I see.
What's next?
I see this so cool. Huh?
Okay. P, E, N, C. What's next?
Huh?
I,
Huh?
L, and then sharpener. How to spell the sharpener?
Yeah.
S, H, A, R. What's next?
Okay. Bye-bye.
No, we're not yet done. Come on. So that we can finish this, and then next time we will read a story. Okay? Okay. So next time we will read a story about Goldilocks. Do you know Goldilocks? No. Do you know about the gingerbread man? No? Okay, so we need to finish this so that next time we will read the story about Goldilocks and the three bears. That's so nice story. And also about the gingerbread man and the crocodile. Do you want to hear the story about that? No? Do you want to watch a story? Watch. Yes. Okay. So please be good and follow this so that next time we will watch a story. Okay? You like to watch? Yes, very good. Okay, so let's finish this first so that we can move to other lesson. Okay, sharpener. How to
Sharpener.
spell the sharpener?
S. No. Sir. S. H. A. R. R.
P
E.
E
E.
N E and R. Okay, how about for the number 5?
Sharpener.
For number 5 is how to read
Why
this?
out?
White out.
Why out?
Okay, how to spell white out?
W. T.
W H
H. I don't know. Um.
Okay, take a look again. How to spell white out?
Uh, we. I know. I remember.
You can't remember. Okay, spell W H
W.
I
I.
T
T.
E
E.
O U
U.
and
T.
T. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now can you find the word pencil? Can you find the word pencil? Can you try? Okay,
No.
I will try. Okay, so to find the word pencil, you must find first the letter P. Okay, so where are the letter P? Oh, I cannot find some letter P that will make the word pencil. Oh, I saw the pencil. Here.
It is
Pen.
pencil sharpener.
Yeah. Yes, there. Wow, very good. You can also, wow. Okay, so who will be the winner? Is it me or you to find the word? You. Okay, so you
I
found the
see
word.
pencil sharpener.
How about eraser?
Where?
Okay, who will find? Is it me or you? Oh, I cannot find. Is eraser. Hmm. I want to find it first. So I will be the winner. Where is eraser? Where are you? Can you find it now?
No.
Okay. So this is eraser. Okay, next. Can you find the word glue?
Blue.
Glue. Okay, let's find the word glue. Oh, starts with letter G. Glue? Where is glue?
Oh, wait me a minute.
Oh, sure. There's the letter G. You can touch the letter G, but where is the word glue? That is, what's that? I think you are trying to encircle the word white out. Yes, very good. Wow, you are very good. You found the word white out. Wow, you're the winner. How about the word glue?
E, e, e.
Very good. How about glue? Wow, you found it. Very good. Okay, how about you won? Okay, so how about pen? How
Henna?
about pen?
Hmm.
Pen.
Hmm.
Pen
Where is
starts with
pen?
letter P. Pen. Pen. Oh, where is pen? You found that
Marker.
marker. Wow, you found the word marker. But I'm asking you to find the pen. Wow, very good. How about pen? Can you find the word pen?
No.
No? Okay, I can find the word, oh, pen. Okay, there's the pen. Okay, so I only found two. And you found one,
Man.
two, three, four. Isn't it? Wow, you win. Very good. You win. You are better than me to find the words. Very good. So, because you win, next time we will watch the story about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. You want to watch that? Yes? Okay, I'm so excited about that. Okay, so next time we will read that story. Okay, so just behave and listen to teachers so that we will watch the movie. Yes. Okay, very good, Lily. Okay, so you are good today. Thank you so much for your time. It's now time. Oh, so fast.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.